So this is a beautiful paper. It's an editorial by Frankenberger and Van Midway, which says why you have to do a lot of bonded partial crowns. You see, choose bonded partial crowns instead of crowns. Do not do a lot of crowns because it's very destructive, very, very destructive. So now everything is going into an ADC concept. What is ADC? Adhesive design concept. What does it mean? You maintain vitality of the tooth and you maximize conservation of hard tissues. Okay? So the journey of discovery is based not on going to new places, but seeing things with new eyes. Okay? Use your imagination, use your observation. That's where dentistry is heading. Thank you so much for your undivided attention. This is just a start. We got to have a lot of fun now post lunch. So as I said, everybody will have a kit, individual kit. I will give you the demo, and then all of you would do the demo. Apart from this, let us see what we have, resources we have. Because somebody asked me he wants to see the bevels, so I can show you that as well. But in any case, you want to see anything else, please let me know. Okay? Any questions? You're most welcome. Otherwise, we are free to have a lunch break. So I think we come back after 45 minutes or so. We will be ready with the demo and the
So 1 hour? 1 hour is the...
until 2?
যদি এখন মানে যখন থেকে শুরু হবে from the starting point 1 hour. If now, then until 2. If 1:30, then until 2:30.
No problem. Whatever time. I think I was told that the lunch is ready, so...
Okay, so then...
So whatever time you come, I am ready. I am here anyway, it's not a problem.
We have discussed about the bar selection during finishing, polishing.
What I will do?
Finishing bar, what type of bar, what types of bar, number of bars.
Okay. You want to see the finishing and polishing, okay? Let me show you.
That's bad.
So if I am doing a finishing, these are my steps. I always use this bar. This is F022. You can buy this. F022, yeah. Yellow ring. Can you see the yellow ring? Yellow ring means it's fine. You also get a red ring in this, that's medium. Okay? And you also get an extra fine that is white. So the rings will tell you the grits.
F022, yellow.
F022, yeah. You can just check with mine. I can also share you on the hands-on, I can show you the numbers. Okay? Just remind them.
I have a bar from Sofu.
Tofu also has something similar. You can use that. So basically, when I'm starting to finish with this burr, my strokes are intermittent and I'm doing it dry. That means that by aeroter, no water. So I'm going to off my water to the aeroter and I'm going to finish. So it's dry finishing because I want to see what I'm doing. I want to create my anatomy. I want to remove my surface irregularities, so do it dry. Once you do this, then I'm going to use my discs. These are flexible aluminum oxide discs. It's available from 3M Softflex, available from Shofu, Super Snap, okay? Super Snap Extreme. I will use these discs in all the grits. Coarse, medium, fine, extra fine. No shortcuts. So if you have Shofu, Super Snap, it's black, violet, green and pink.
Violet, green, pink, yes.
Okay, follow the sequence. If it is Softflex, then it is dark red, light red, dark yellow, light yellow. I will show you when I use in the demo. Okay. So I will do my finishing with my discs. I will open the embrasures. Can you see? I am opening up the embrasures. I am tipping my incisal edge. I am correcting the incisal edge height. So all this I will do with my disc. I will not use burr. Burr is only on the surface. Any correction of the height Embrasure on the sides, all discs.
Flexible aluminum.
Flexible. Can't use rigid. Okay. And then I am going to use my final finishing points. These are called enhanced from bench ply. Any aluminum oxide abrasives you can use. They are available in three shapes: cone, cup, and disc. Cone, cup, and disc. I will show you in the demo later. Okay. So you can use any. Now these shapes are basically for areas. For example, if you want to use on the surface, I can use a cup. If I want to use on the edges, I will use a disc. If I want to use the cone, I will use it on the lingual side because the cone will go easily on the lingual side. Once that is done, I check the final finish and the contour of my patient's restoration by adding a little bit of moisture. Okay? If my contour is good, I proceed to the next step. But if my contour is not correct, it needs a little bit of additions, I am going to etch, bond and add some composites. Okay? If my contour is correct, then I will mark my textures. So I will mark my textures. For example, let me go there. So I mark my textures like this with my pencil, and I give my textures with either the burr or the disc itself. Abrasive disc. These are abrasive disc, rubberized disc. These are not flexible. You can't use flexible disc to give texture. You have to use the hard disc, yeah. Rubberized or abrasive discs, okay? And once I give my textures, I check my textures, looks good, I have nice depression. Now I will polish. So for polishing, there are many tools available in the market. You can either use an impregnated polisher. This is an impregnated polisher, meaning to say the polisher itself has diamond in it, impregnated. So you just need to put water and you should do wet polishing. Finishing was dry, polishing is wet. You can't polish dry, the tooth will get heated up. Okay, so I'm going to use my wet polish and I'm going to rub it for 10 seconds and I get a gloss. If I am not using this system, then I will use this system. This is little cheaper. So you get a lot of composite polishing pastes available in the market. They are diamond paste or silicon carbide paste. Diamond or silicon carbide. You apply on the surface of your restoration, take the foam cup they give you with the polishing paste and you rub it for 10 seconds with water. Okay, and this will complete my polishing and I get a very good glaze. So this is the whole protocol for finishing and polishing. So first step, use of burrs, then discs, then abrasive, rubberized disc, then texture, then polish. You can't use just one burr and apply bonding agent and send the patient. That's not correct. Is it very clear? While during finishing and polishing? No, absolutely not. Patient will feel only sensitivity if there is something wrong with your adhesive protocol. For example, you over etch the tooth. Okay, or when you were placing composite, you ended up getting whites. Then there will be sensitivity. Otherwise, side. Posterior look again side. Don't go center. So for example, if I have an endodontically treated teeth, see here I do direct composites. I don't do indirect because I have a lot of walls. So one more option is you can do a post-it core followed by direct composites. So I place the post and core in a similar manner like how we saw. But here I am not building the core. Why? Because I am not doing indirect. I am doing direct. So when you are doing direct composite, you will not build the core. You will just place the post. You will place your sectional matrices. This is Palodent V3 from Dentsply. Excellent matrix system for posterior composite. You get very good contacts and contours.
Palodent DC by Dentsply.
See now I cut the post before because I am doing a direct composite build up. So I cut the length of the post and I place the post and then do my direct build up. That's enough in this tool. So it is a post and core followed by direct composite. So you do the same procedure. You edge, then you bond.
Using 1 9.
বনানীটার কি অবস্থা খবর নেই বনানীতে যেটা হচ্ছে এটাও ভালো
So once I place my post,
ওপেনিং ক্যাভিটি ট্যাভিটি
using my core build up as the loading material of choice,
কি অবস্থা ওয়ার্কশপে
always bleed whenever you're using such materials. I go deep into the canal. That's it. I only placed in the orifice. Now I will loop the post because I am not doing any impression or cementation. I'm doing direct. Make sure the post is submerged down. You have 2 millimeters of space above the post for your composite. And now you see I convert the class 2 into class 1. First I build the proximal box and then I use my SDR. This is SDR. It's a very good bulk fill flow material. You can use up to a level of 4 millimeters in one shot. So it eases your treatment procedure. I'm going to cure this and now I build my cusps. So I always do cuspal build up. Build one cusp at a time. Never connect two walls in your composite. So I'm doing my first cusp and see how I finish my direct build up. When you do cusp by cusp, you get anatomy. Okay, you get anatomy. You don't have to use any burr to draw the lines. You get by default. You get the inclination and the grooves, and then you finish polish. So this is one more treatment option. So you have so many options you can give to your patients, and you get very good gloss. You can stain it. You can do anything you want. Okay, just wanted to share this video. But apart from that, if you have any questions, you're most welcome. Otherwise, we can break for lunch and then we come back as per the stipulated time.